Hi YouTube, it's Pete again. Today I'm just gonna give you guys a quick update on my new suspension system. I did an upgrade about a month ago. So just give you guys a quick rundown. I've been put on approximately like over 1,000 miles on it. So far, pretty impressive. So basically, I pick up the different parts from different vendors and just make my sort of my own kit. So it's not really a lift kit or suspension kit from one vendor, from a different brand, different vendors. So alright. So up front I have Skyjacker, Leduc, Coilovers. It's actually Fox shock based. So the kit, the conversion kit, is from Skyjacker, but they're incorporated with a Fox. So they come up with this kit. So all shock reservoir is all from Fox. So it's adjustable 4 to 6 inches. So as you can see, I have this set for 4.5 because I'm thinking about later on sometimes I can get a bigger tires. So I need this space, so that's why I lift up. I've been taken out to do a little bit off-roading. Is very impressive comparison with my old kit. So, and also I got the control arms from JKS. As you can see, it's way thicker than the stock one, and the beefier. And a front Driveshaft 1350 is a mask because you need to adjust the angle, because you change the angle once you lift up a little bit higher. So I got the front Driveshaft as well. And as you can see, I have to cut the inner fender to fit this coilover kit, and so it's no longer have spring here. Alright, that's up front. So this is again this coilover kit from Skyjacker, Leduc, Fox shock base coilover kit, conversion kit. It's very good. Alright, so in the rear I did a little different thing. Instead of got a coilover, actually I got a conventional setup. So basically I got the shocks and a spring. Though the spring is from Rock Crawler 4.5 rear triple reed spring kit. They have very good review on it, and actually very good, very smooth. And along that I got this fancy Fox 2.5 dual speed dome adjustable piggyback shock. This is 2.5. This is thicker than the 2-inch 2.0 version, this new one. And they have a little knob over there you can adjust. Actually two. You can adjust either on high speed and low speed. So I think it's 12 clicks per zone, so you can adjust high speed zone or lower speed zone. So high speed is like everyday driving, that type scenario, and of course the low speed is when you're off-roading, you know, and put on the full low off-roading, that kind of things. I've been messing around with it. It's actually very impressive. I really like it. And I got the alright, so I got a track bar, rear and the front is all from JKS. It's adjustable, so once they lift up, so you need a the new track bar. Yeah, I did have front track bar as well. So that's what I've been been done. I did end up take to one of a local shop, have that installed, because I really I don't want to, you know, this since this is so important, I don't want to mess it up, so I just bring it up over there. It actually did take almost a week for them to put on, especially the control arms. They told me it's very tricky to put together, especially this adjustable. So my recommendation, if you guys according what he described, so this time if you want to make adjustment, you need to take off the, you know, unbolt it to do this every time. I know there's some other brand they can adjust them in place, so you don't need to take them off. That's one thing that the guy who told me in the shop. So shout out to Extra Mile Performance. It's my local shop. They're actually their specialties work on Toyota, like 4Runner, Tundra, or Tacoma truck, but I did bring my Jeep over there. It's all off-road vehicle, so they did get everything done. And I got the bump stop from Leduc, so I got rid of those like those nipple one. See, I already got the hydraulic bump stop. I'll be installed soon, so I eventually can get rid of this nipple things, so I can have smoother ride. Alright guys, same thing. Just if you guys have any questions, just leave comment below. Please like and share my video. Weather is it's still weather is, it's good weather out here. It's getting cold, but again, non-stop for my overland Jeep build. Won't stop. I really wish you guys enjoy my video. Thanks.